Hello, dear children. As we are doing our chapter number 8, creepy crawlies and tiny flyers. In this chapter, we have three topics: insects, reptiles, and worms. About insects, we have already done, right, in our previous video and video class 2. In about insect, we have is some animals which do not have backbones. If we talk about insects, in fact, insects they do not have any bone at all. Instead of bones, they have a hard outer shell or a very hard skin, and that skin is called exoskeleton. Okay, the body of an insect is divided into three main parts: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. How many legs insects have? 6 legs, right? So these are some points that we have done about insects. Today we'll discuss about reptiles. So let's see here. Reptiles are vertebrates. Like now only we were talking about insects. Insects are invertebrates. So the meaning of invertebrates: some animals which do not have backbones. But reptiles are vertebrates, which means they have backbones. This is the main difference or very important difference between insects and reptiles. Okay, next point, they have scaly skin. Scaly skin means they have some small, some hard and dry areas on their skin. If you will see or if you will observe the skin of a snake, you will observe that there are so many very small and hard and dry areas. Reptile, and all the reptiles, they have scaly skin. If you will observe the skin of lizard or chameleon, okay. Next point, they lay eggs. If we talk about lizards, turtle, snakes, they all lay eggs. So all the reptiles lay eggs. Most of reptiles lay eggs. Next, they come in many different shapes and sizes. Okay. Next point, they have 4 legs or limbs. When we were talking about insects, they have 6 legs. But reptiles, they have 4 legs or limbs. Okay. Next point, they crawl to move. Reptiles crawl on their bellies from one place to another. See, if you will see a snake, snake does not have any leg, right? All the snakes, they have a long body. So how they move? They just crawl. They crawl on the ground and they move. Okay. See, some people even keep reptiles as pets. Like we can keep some pets like dog, cat. They keep in an aquarium, right? So in reptiles also, some pets are very good pets and some are very bad pets. If we talk about turtle, it's a good pet. And if we talk about crocodile or alligator, they are not a good pet. right? They are not any good pet. So here some reptiles are like snake, lizard, turtle, chameleon, etc. Okay, first we will discuss about lizards. These are some different reptiles. About lizards, so there are more than 6,000 different lizard species. See, in about reptiles, when we were talking, one point was there that reptiles come in many different shapes and sizes. And see here, lizards only, they are more than 6,000 different lizard species. They are in more than 6,000 different species, right? So their body structure or shape, size are different. All these things are different. Next point, most of the lizards live on trees or land. Okay, some lizards we can see on the walls of our houses and buildings. They eat weak tail. See, one an amazing fact is there about lizards. Lizards have weak tail, right? If the tail is broken off, lizards are able to grow their tails back. Like whenever we are trimming our nails, after few days, like 2, 3, 4, or after 7 days, they grow long, they grow back, right? In that same way, if any lizard, the tail of the lizard is broken off, they are able to grow their tails back. Okay. Next, home lizards are called gecko. We all have observed that some lizards moving on our walls of houses and buildings, right? Those home lizards are called gecko. See, one more thing, home lizards carry harmful bacteria, and that bacteria can cause serious illness in human beings, like vomiting, fever, and weakened of immune system, right? Suppose in any kitchen area or somewhere else, we just kept some food that is uncovered, and any lizard just fallen down in that food, and you even don't know about that, and after some time you ate that food. So what will happen? Because of those harmful bacteria or weakness of immune system. Okay, so we should just keep our food covered. Okay, see, these are some different types of lizards, and here this is home lizard, that is called gecko. Next, if we talk about chameleon, see, here we can see some different pictures of chameleon. Here it's in green, blue and mixed yellow color, right? Here sky blue or blue, here total green. Because of this reason, it is also called a multicolored reptile. Okay, chameleons, they are called multicolored reptiles. Chameleon is capable to changing color of its body, as here we can see. Okay, and that is also called camouflage. See, they are known for their ability to change the color of their body This is called camouflage. Okay. So, do you know the meaning of camouflage? See, camouflage means the ability to change the color of the body. Now, do you know why it's changed the color of its body? This chameleon. See, it can change the color of its body to match animals or other people who want to harm them, who want to harm those chameleons. So first thing, it is called multicolored reptile. It can change the color of its body, and the ability to change the color of the body is called camouflage. And the reason why they change, so that they can hide their self from other animals and people who want to harm them, okay, who want to kill them or who want to catch them. Next point, they eat insects and catch their prey with their long tongue. See, all chameleons, they have long tongue and they can catch their prey or their food, means small insects which they want to eat. They can catch with their long tongue. So this was about chameleon. Okay. Next is about snakes. See, snakes are also reptiles with no legs and a long body. They have no legs and a long body. As they don't have legs, so they crawl to move. Okay, the movement is crawl or slither. Snakes also have that scaly skin I was talking about. Scaly skin. Next point, they molt their skin when they grow up. What is the meaning of molt? See, when snakes grow old, they shed their whole skin. Shed means remove. What snakes do? When snakes grow old, they remove their whole skin of the body. Okay, and this process is called molting. Okay, what is called molting? See here, if we see the skin of snake, these are some small and very hard, we can say, if we will touch it, right? Some small hard and dry areas. So this type of skin is called scaly skin, and this process is called molting. See, this snake is removing its whole skin of the body. So this process is called molting. Okay, some snakes live on land and some in water. So it was about snakes and about reptiles. Next topic is worms, that we'll do in our next video. Okay, thank you.